I did not want this truck. I had an economy car, okay? You guys forced me to have this truck, and this damage was here, and you say it's superficial, it's a scratch.
Yeah, it's a scratch. It's not
Okay, this is here, and you say it's a scratch. It's not documented. It's no problem. So when I received the truck, that was there and it wasn't documented, which the truck I didn't want. This is not what I signed for. And now you're telling me there's a puncture in the bumper.
That's a puncture, yeah.
And although, how can you say I done that when this was here and you did not document this? It wasn't documented. Well, but you saying, yeah, it's okay, that's okay. You saying it? No.
You can do that.
I'm not. It's not Facebook. This is going to attorneys and your corporate office because I did not want this truck. You forced me. Why did you force me to take this truck?
If you want to stop talking and listen,
yes.
you can understand everything.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
No, because dude, I'm not bullshitting with you. I'm a grown man, dude.
And
You're not
running
gonna
a
make me
business,
pay
sir,
for
so
something.
I'm
You're
gonna
not
ask
running
you
a
to
business.
respect me the same way I'm trying to respect you,
Let's
okay?
talk. Let's talk.
Thank you. Okay. This is ridiculous. Okay. You can film all you want. When you sign the contract, it says there's no damage documented. We don't document scratches or dents that are smaller than our evaluator. It's very clear. Okay. This is standardized. This is enterprise. Those scratches are not larger than the evaluator, so it's not documentable damage. This is a puncture in the bumper. Our bumper plan in California says that scratches, dents, dings on plastic bumpers are okay unless it's a puncture, tear.
Where did this truck come from? Were you the one that rented me this truck?
I'm not going to.
So how do you know that wasn't there when the guy?
You signed a contract that said there's no damage.
So what you're telling me? Can I see your evaluator?
You can't see my evaluator.
Okay, this right here is bigger than your whole evaluator. Put your evaluator up there.
So you'll see the damages that actually.
No, put your evaluator up there.
Yep, that's fine. So
okay.
You got this right here, right, and that right there.
Okay, keep going. Look at that. That's bigger than your evaluator.
So
and that was there, and you said, yeah, well, we didn't notice that. You didn't notice this.
Is that? I don't know what I'm saying, sir. If you're listening.
Okay, what were you saying there?
So, I don't even know who that shit. I don't know who you up with that nigga. But no, real talk, I can show you a nigga how to begin trying to start some shit, but I ain't biting on that shit. Real talk. Man, but like I said, this shit come from me.
Well, you may have been with the you may not have it. You wasn't even here. You didn't rent me this car. I'm listening to you. I'm not being argumentative. I'm speaking the truth right now. How am I being argumentative? You stating the straight facts. I'm listening.
Listen, you understand. This and this would be considered damage if they were longer than the evaluator, but they are not. They're smaller, right? These two little things that break the paint. Everything else.
So why did y'all give me this truck? Why did y'all give me this truck?
I want to tell y'all, these pussy niggas, man, running in Franklin. You can't hide from Bruce.
To go 500 miles, and you gave me the biggest.
What a signature.
Oh,
Yeah, okay.
let him say the sign out sick.
Okay, we'll continue.
You won't get that shit?
Because number one, you hurt me several ways. Number one, I didn't want this truck. I'm driving
Tell him
500 miles. That's the most inefficient.
All right then. Bye.
Why would I have that? And I'm on a budget. Why I got to do all this special stuff?